Well, what happened was that I was just standing at the sink. I can't tell you the exact time because time, has now disappeared. But there was a massive explosion. I mean, the whole of the building shook. The windows were rattling, were shaking, absolutely shaking. And I didn't know what was going on. And then I would say within, a few seconds, the whole thing repeated itself, but this was stronger. And again, I thought, my God, these windows are going to come in. It's going to smash. Because we've had earthquakes here before, over the past, but nothing like this.
So you saw what happened?
I never saw what happened. I just saw the windows were shaking. It was a massive explosion, so I knew there was an explosion, obviously.
Some kind of smoke or...
Nothing, no, absolutely nothing, because there's our balcony up there, and I was in the main sitting room, in the kitchen. So I came running out onto the balcony, and then I looked just down here on the corner of the road, and I could see smoke or vapour. I don't know, something was coming up. It wasn't like smoke, but there was something coming up in the air, And I thought, well, maybe it's to do with the workshop, which is down here where they repair bikes, and it could have been a gas canister gone or something. That's as I saw it.
You saw some car, people here?
I never, no, absolutely nothing. There was nothing at all. Only people running, shouting, coming down from the school. Peterboron, this school here, and they're running down here shouting, and that's all that's what I saw. So a lot of drama.
But the explosion was over there?
The explosion, I couldn't say, but I could see the smoke. If you go round the corner, you can see there's a workshop just a few metres from round the corner, maybe 15, 20 metres, and that's where it seemed it was coming up from. But it's very difficult to see where this is coming. But I could see there was smoke, or a vapour, something like that.
Yeah, okay.
В 8:54 минути чрез телефон 112 е постъпила информация, че в квартал Кръстова, Вада на булевар Черни връх 67, зад бензиностанция Ехо, са стреляли по кола на Алексей Петров. Сигнал е подаден от негов охранител, който в момента не е бил на работа. Незабавно са изпратени полицейски служители, които са установили, че има изстрел с РПГ. Установено е, че няма пострадали лица. Има увреждания на автомобила външни. Не е в интерес на разследването да поддържаме изтичането на информацията и предоставянето на информацията, но не, просто ние имаме криминален случай, работиме по него, който му обръща внимание, питайте защо го прави. Не коментирам повече подробности на този етап, за да може да протече както трябва процедурата.
Се случва, връща България в уния години мутренските. Очевидно е, че има връзка с цялостната обстановка. Очевидно е, че бдителният гражданин и неговите приятели, които днес са на власт, са част от това, което беше в България. Сигурно експонирането на тези отделни, наистина важни казуси отклонява вниманието от най-големия въпрос. Как се провеждат избори в България, как се убиват демократични традиции, демократични практики. Нали сме наясно, че това са най-нечестните избори и явно това трябва да остане на втори план.
Безобразие е това, че става посред бял ден и България се изравнява с, да не кажа латиноамериканските, малко по престъпност се изравняваме, може би, с африканските държави. Това е тъжно.